Yeah, I'm looking kind of crazy. Yo, good day, good people. It's Chantel Sarita giving you all of the positive vibes from the future, past, present. I didn't do my regular intro during the actual vlog, so that's all I came on to say. Bye. I wanted to pop on because I am decluttering my space and decluttering my mind at the same time. Or decluttering my space to declutter my mind, it's a process. So I wanted to show a before and after of what I'm doing. So right now I'm switching out my winter clothes into my spring clothes, and I'm giving away a bunch of stuff that I don't plan on wearing next year or this year. Because I'm preparing to upgrade the fashion, okay? I'm preparing to upgrade the classics, all right? For real though. But yeah, so I want to give y'all a before and after. My room looks crazy right now, but we are gonna make it look super cute and decluttered and space to just be able to breathe, all right? So this is what I got going on so far. So, yeah. Looking kind of crazy. I already took my clothes out and like gave some stuff away, so let me show you. I'm giving away some of this stuff. I have shoes in here that are for winter, so they're packed away in there, and I have another bag to put in here. And then in here, this bag is donations. I like to label so I don't like forget what I put where, so that it's labeled donate. And then I have more stuff in this pile that I'm gonna be adding to the donation pile. So I'll check back in soon and give y'all an update on what's popping. And then it was just over. And then that's what's annoying, because the shit came out so long ago and there's not a part 2. So yep. So I'm gonna give these away because I don't wear them that often. They fit me kind of weird, and I'm trying to show off my body because I've been working on it. Okay, so I'm not gonna keep these. I'm gonna give them away because why keep my space cluttered if I'm not even gonna wear them? Now I'm gonna put these in my closet, and I like to color coordinate them because it makes me feel better about life when I go in my closet. So I'm gonna do that now. Oh, if you're wondering why I'm dressed like Catwoman, It's because I was dancing earlier and teaching myself how to twerk again now that I have momentum in my hips. All right. You know better. You know better. Oh. So I just finished, so I have 2 bags of donation things, and then I organized my closet, color coded it as well, and then I stored it through my laundry so that I can get up and do laundry in the morning. I like to do my stuff when nobody's there, so I'm probably gonna go at like 7 a.m. tomorrow, and I don't want to have to get up and do the sorting in the morning because ain't nobody got time for that. My mind is not gonna want to do that in the morning. I like to start my mornings off like that. Anyway, so my room is not perfect, but it's good for tonight. I got a lot done. Still got more to do, but I'll show you. You know, I still got to sweep and stuff, but my floor is clear. My bed is clear. I'm taking these sheets off before I go tomorrow so I can wash those. I get my dresser is clear. My little work area is clear. So yeah, that's all we got for tonight. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate each of you in your own individual ways. Tune in because I'm still working on my dance visual, so stay tuned for that. And until next time, make sure you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, I would really appreciate that. I appreciate all of those good vibes and energy, the same that I give to you. So with that being said, enjoy the rest of your day, and until next time.